Christmas memories. I've been so much
It's Christmas decorating day, and I have my little beauty here to help me, and we have a ton to do because we're doing all the main living spaces. All these bins, I don't know if you can see them between us. So we have a ton to do. So let's start the Christmas music and get right to it. Hey Siri, play Christmas music. And I want to introduce myself for anyone who might be new here. Hi, my name is Bella, and I'm the stay-at-home mommy to that adorable little 15-month-old you just saw. And here I like to do cleaning motivation, organizing, decorating, as you can tell from this video. So make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on, and let's do this. Alright, so here's the stuff from the decor haul. Not all of it, some of it's in Kennedy's nursery, the stuff that's supposed to go in there, but in addition to the older stuff. Look, this Believe sign won't even fit on this chair. That's so funny. And real quick, if you like anything and you don't remember me talking about it in the decor haul video, or you did and you still want the link, just let me know. I'll get you that link. All right, time to switch up the smell. I don't know, do I want to do Falling Flurries or 'Tis the Season? I don't even know. I think I'm gonna do Falling Flurries. And I showed these, I did my huge Bath & Body Works decor haul in my last video. So if you saw this, you know it smelled really, really good. I'm switching it up and starting in the kitchen instead of the living room where I usually start because I'm just so excited for this hot cocoa bar. This is brand new this year and it's all in my decor haul video if you missed anything. And I'm just so excited today because Christmas is my favorite holiday. And also make sure you stay till the end because I have some really satisfying Halloween to Christmas transformations. And I know I'm gonna get teased a little bit for starting to decorate for Christmas the day after Halloween, but I have always loved Christmas. My family was always huge on Christmas. We had a Christmas open house every year when I was little, and we always hosted Christmas Eve, so it's just a part of my soul. So I was counting down. I love Halloween, but I really love Christmas, so I was counting down the days that I could decorate. I know I kind of joked about that in my decor haul video, and I'm so excited that you could all join me for this and I could share this with you. And if you're new, a super special welcome. Thank you so much for joining us today. You're about to see the finished product. Oh, look how cute that is. I love the little gingerbread family. And next I'm gonna move into taking down the witch's kitchen, and we're gonna switch it up and make it super fun, super whimsical, super cute. I've had this thing since I was a teenager and I use it every single year. I used it in the last house. I'm gonna use it in this house, and I know people are gonna giggle when they see it, but I love him so much. So you'll see him in a second, but first it's time to wipe down the counter and change the scent.
It was the night before Christmas.
And there he is in all his glory, the penguin standing on top of the cupcake. Maybe we should name him. Let me know. What do you think his name should be in the comments? Alright, so I am going to switch this, but let me know in the comments what you guys like better. Here. I don't know, I'm not 100% feeling it, but let me know. And here I am moving it back because I'm worried about having all the signs. Let me know if you know how to fix this situation. Oh, I just kicked the camera, sorry. If you know how to fix this, let me know. I had to switch out my dish and hand soap this year, and the hand soap was in the decor haul, but the dish soap is Mrs. Meyer's, and you guys know that I love Mrs. Meyer's, so that's no surprise. But now it's time to switch up the sofa, and I left in 2 separate things. I think I like the second design, if you'll call it that, better, but you let me know. So the first one has Fa La La pillows, and the second one has more pillows, and I think I like that more because it's a cozier vibe. But again, let me know. And you can see my mom in the background right now. She was a huge help watching Kennedy and also helping me with some of the packing up of the decor. I always say use your village, because it's true, it takes a village to raise or even watch a child on a day so their mother can get some decorating done. But again, no shame in asking for help when you know that it is a big task.
That we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas.
I am about to go to town trying to chop these pillows, and they weren't as choppable as I thought, but it really looks like I'm just beating them up. But if you get these, they're great. They're huge oversized pillows. I got them from Home Goods and I absolutely love them. So I suggest those if you can find them. I know it can be a little bit hard to find pillows and stuff that other people have at Home Goods, but here is the Fa La La Rae Dunn pillows, and I love them. I absolutely love them, but I think that it just doesn't look quite right. So here's the second look, and I added a lot more pillows and bigger pillows, and I think I like it a little bit more. It takes up some more room and it just looks a lot cozier, and I love where the Fa La La pillows ended up going. You'll see that in a second, but please let me know, first one or second one.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Peekaboo. Where's Kennedy? Aww.
Oh, you like the blankie. Now it's time to change up the fireplace decor, and this is all stuff that I already had from last year, but it's all from Target, and I did see a lot of it there this year. And when I put the garland up, I know the ornaments in it look a little bit sparse, but I did go back and add some later, so just letting you know.
Garlands and ribbon thread, tinsel bright. But you
Do you have a fun family tradition for the holidays? I ask because I don't think that we have any traditions yet as a family of 3. I totally get that it can be hard to establish traditions since 2020. It's been really hard on everybody, but let me know if you have a fun family tradition that your toddler enjoyed. Let me know in the comments.
they're singing for you and me. They are singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine and yours. The smell of fresh pine tree. I get down on my knees.
Kind of in the same boat as family traditions, what's your favorite Christmas memory? I mentioned in my last video that I loved going to the Nutcracker Ballet every year. No wonder why I chose Nutcracker theme for Kennedy's nursery. That video will be next on my channel, by the way. But I also have some amazing memories of my parents throwing these huge open houses for Christmas every year in my childhood home, and I always remember the caterer. We used the same caterer every year, always made the most amazing foods and desserts, and I think that's what Christmas is all about, the memories we make. And I know that's a little bit sappy, I'll own that, but let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Christmas memory?
This Christmas is mine and yours.
I worked on this desk a little bit more with what I had left over, so stay till the end so you can see the final desk transformation.
relieving me of all my stress.
Now that I've cleaned off the end tables, it's time to clean off the coffee table and make it all Christmassy. And if you're an OG, you know all about my coffee table tray. And if you're new, I got this coffee table tray last year for Christmas, and it's easily my favorite thing I own. And I know how silly that is to say about a coffee table tray, but it's so true. I know Target still has it, so if you're in the market for a new coffee table tray, I'll add it to my like to know it. Oh, I have like to know it now. I totally forgot to mention, I'll put my link down below in case you want to know what usually my Target favorites are. Now moving on to our new entertainment center, and this is something that I really want to know your opinion on. I kept it fun, a lot of signs, a lot of whimsical stuff because Kennedy is still so little and I want her to just have a lot of fun with Christmas, but I also mixed in some more mature pieces, and you'll see them here and there. That sleigh is one of them, and so is the lantern, to make it more of like a farmhouse, more mature style as she gets older, and then I can switch it easier down the road. But let me know what you think of it this year. I think it turned out really, really fun.
Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight.
Now it's time to decorate our new Christmas tree. With apartment living, we had to do a much skinnier tree this year, so not gonna lie, we'll totally miss our huge full tree for the next year or two, but I do love how this small tree turned out, and I figure we could always put this in an eventual formal dining room or in our next house's master bedroom. So this isn't our official family Christmas tree, but it will do until we buy our next house. And mamas of toddlers, you have to let me know your tips on keeping little kiddos away from the Christmas tree. Kennedy has a small tree that I put in her nursery. Normally, I put it in there last year. I'll put a picture of it right here because you won't be seeing it this year in her room because little lady went straight for the tree this year. I'm thinking maybe next year I might be able to. Hopefully, I'm praying, but definitely not this year. I'm totally struggling to put these lights on right now. Eventually my mom had to jump in and help me, which is crazy. It's a small tree, but it's still like a two-person job to like stand on one side and somebody stands on the other side, and you have to like hand lights to each other and wrap it up the tree. It's just crazy even though it's so small. Here's my favorite part, wrapping the ribbon around the tree. I did this on the old tree. You might have saw it a minute ago when I put the picture up, but I got this idea from Pinterest last year and I absolutely love it. This tree is little, but I still think it looked really good wrapped, and I got this ribbon from my dad. He always chooses the best ribbon, and I love it. It's gold, and then we have the red with it, and it just kind of ties the whole room together.
We all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day.
And here comes the red and gold ornaments. We actually don't have any family ornaments yet. I don't know, is it weird? I guess every family starts out with kind of color-coded little orbs and then you move on from there, but I kind of want to get a collection of Christmas ornaments together for Kennedy. Kennedy's tree has a lot of my childhood ornaments on it, but this one we just stuck to the red and gold color theme. Got this tree topper at Target last year, and it lights up on the ceiling. It sends little stars up, and Kennedy just loves it. How cute is that, those little stars?
Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start.
Now it's time to switch up the front door, and I kept it pretty simple with just changing the wreath and the doormat. And I left the pumpkins we carved yesterday. You might have seen us do that on Instagram. We had a lot of fun with that. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. It's Bella_Ariana127. I post a lot of family stuff, just day-to-day life, and we have a lot of fun there.
This day, everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk.
Now it's time for those super satisfying Halloween to Christmas transformations that I promised, and I want to again thank every single person who joined me today. I had so much fun transforming my home for Christmas, and I hope that you were either inspired by some of my decorating or motivated to decorate a little bit earlier this year. You'd totally make my day if I inspired you to join the early decorator fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe and turn on all of your notifications because it helps small channels like mine grow. And I'll be decorating my daughter's nursery in a Nutcracker ballet theme for Christmas in my next video, and you definitely don't want to miss that. Bye, beauties!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.